Fantastic morning. I'm also said good evening, 7 tower door. Yes, Badwam we can see na wala natural mineral water the sia konkwan den seven brewo. Wala natural mineral water ye nsu a eya budwoso. Nsu a wonom watim sa wanom nsu. Nsu a wo vim vogo sabi boni bia encho. Yes, some okay ona. Yare nsam na bro Sergio Manocho Bernard Paribotwe. Omo me producers. Kejo na kasane Eric Asiedu Bwedi. Ya mwakwaba na ye can say no be shase area feed the FIFA under 17 Women's World Cup na ye African reps Nigeria nya winning the first game against New Zealand na ye nuanom mienu aka na atwe formobo Brazil eche Zambia born 1-0 and England bought Kenya by 2-0 ye matches ne bi mu so anone de course so our games the more weekend is where to so they be PMBR na ye share the progress of the African sisters yes ultimo said Nigeria they shall see you know they see from in their first game the subsequent games this weekend matches were in the La Liga in the EPL mukopimo Italian Serie A na finso French League anya sam keto akra early kick off for China Spurs versus West Ham United na finso Fulham and Aston Villa Ipswich Town Everton Man U ne Brentford Newcastle ne Brighton na Southampton and Leicester and at 2 p.m. na 4:30 Bournemouth and Arsenal at Yabweni. Now, Kwasieda Wolves and Manchester City, Liverpool and Chelsea and Airbo Kwasieda and Jordan Northern Forest and Crystal Palace at Yabweni. Yanko La Liga, the Yanshe, the Hosoa, the Asiatia Alaves and Valladolid and Airbo and Nafiocina Athletic Club Bilbao and Iñaki will be in action on the Espanyol. And a dear Bueni na finished on Osasuna and Real Betis Girona and Sociedad Celta de Vigo, Real Madrid Celta Fofi, Motete Maronina Saturday Mallorca and Vallecano na Atletico de Madrid and Leganes and so dia Bueni Villarreal and Getafe na FC Barcelona and Sevilla and dia Boom Valencia UD Las Palmas where Spanish La Liga in Italy, dia Basso French League A and so Jina Soden Dendia and ye Asam Keto Accra. Wala natural mineral water na kan one opaya yale nsamro ebrewo yanko the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana catch now coach Otoado na head coach at the match no e can catch us send a points build up on this year no the qualification bad thing Angola quarter that aka in Sudan was 7 points Ghana was 2 points aka 2 games na yawie sanse the can kono see we need 2 games thing na 6 number kan 2 ne ho na 8 points Sudan was 7 that the 2 games aka no here draw you 8 points head to head or the aboyen ko we need ba kokra den your kokra coach Otoado head coach the Black Stars so Vim Vogo so still Ghana betimi qualify and say no ne coach Otoado Vim Vogo still oh so Ghana betimi qualify akona nim wala natural mineral water can one opinion in some Brian ko under 20 the Black Satellites we no can say the Wafu Zone B tournament Kosovo Togo Ghana first game and Raheni Bereni and Kiki woya brody anyaman kan ye ne Benin ebo 2-2 Jerry free ebo adwuma padema Ghana coach Desmond Ofair one na coach pani padema bobuku ne kopese otimi wi ni pan so amfa Ghana next game ebe against Niger on Sunday yenhwe sa Ghana game no dey course so to ye be hesene next game no be see akọ on Sunday October 20 now yanko enum yanko ensem foforo bo kopiem Nkoko Sports Stadium ade ba ko a eda the youth of Kwawu akoma so pa team a flagship team Kwawu United say wunya ba bi kra mo boy na no mo nam ha na ya fede ko fodua na mo ball park ne kra san ko fodua na nya papa na mo si o maka Nkoko Sports Stadium mo wana panifo be dwirigu ye so mba besi ne ehwafu enkotre nkusie owo jata osono ene edi atrantwi Nkoko Sports Stadium sisi a na de bebre na esu ho no minister edema food and agriculture Brian Champon indigenous of course what in summer to dwa some bed on betumi bia saban be stadium na de ama aye manfo e wokwa amfakra omo kwafo sika fon be come habum aye stadium no
se aban anya kwa yen kwafo ye be ade ye be see because ade a boa say bobo my so called United move
okay.
Oh yeah, I was one time a friend is saying a chairman of a Core United. The excitement, the enthusiasm, and as I enthusiasm, when you cry, me by maybe 2 years. The Bia or Core United, Bobo or Memono. I say soon fufu behind day, and young Coco Kwaunina. What I say, so it is in our interest, says Adiano, Yebe. But there have been gaps, there are challenges, and I admit, so we took our eye of the ball.
Yeah.
But now we are firmly on it, and we make sure say the yebeye amakwu afan ntuma afa efra ewo ye stadium.
Honorable Brian Achampong. Next somebody to I don't know now. Match day 7 of the Ghanaian Premier League. Yenshesani fixtures no is here this weekend. Out of book way to dreams. Now, Accra Lions and the Young Apostles of Botswana University of Ghana Stadium. Shannon Sumame Vision Airborne Bichim. Nia J. Kreku, the second sports complex. Metema Airball and Clay against Samates back from Obi Mainso, US of A. Bogus Abatown. Dreams FC in the House of Folk. Our Tuba, na Fin Swaterman, and Basake Holy Stars are born and Krabansan Park, Brickum Chelsea, and Legon City's Golden City Park, Karela, and the Heart of Lions, so Aliu Mahama, Namadiema, and so Nations at the Abweni or TNA. Gold Stars, Adriana Stars, Bibiani, Jones Park, and Senior officials to see it here. Match day 7. Shannon Sosa, Efa, and Mami. Now, Kasane Gusso Koswa, Zonim said Thomas Tuchel, a new manager. The 3 Lions of England. Now, Sunday man for church or my joint teams are not in Pavia, and I change some in Ebebro. Shannon Sumame say, Walla, natural mineral water. Woman coming one. Made some bro, and no musuke, one walla, walla. Your sponsors are Nikamulino, Omodi Stia Conquan Bribiam in Samono at the Ebro. Style Yeshemi Canocre. True. Yes, and Nake Clothing Worldwide, Nake say, Rico Net, Nake, Mammy. Nake Clothing Worldwide, and Shema Tadi, and then Nake. Fantastic morning going out to you. Oh, but my papa, Nake across social media. Yabako Sergio Manucho Bernard Paddy Butreme producers. Kidjuan Kasani, Erica Siedu Body.